to the non-Muslim, I say to you, go home and read about Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam tonight if you dare. If you are not afraid of change, because if you read about Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam with an open heart and open mind, there change that love for this man and respect for this man will come into your mind, into your heart, come into your family, come into your home. And you want to be a follower of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And if you should choose to do so, you will never elevate his name. You will never increases any blessing for his ummah, but you will benefit your own selves.